All right, so we're back. Matt, nice to have you here.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Pleasure to be here.
Absolutely. So it's Matt Wenrich with Red Moose Exterior Cleaning.
Yep.
And today we're talking about soft wash or pressure wash or what other words people describe it.
Yeah, soft wash, pressure wash, they're pretty synonymous in what we do.
Okay. So obviously this is residential, right? So we're going to talk about Red Moose here, and they service the residential community in Charlotte.
Yep.
So Matt, you tell us, what do you see in the industry as far as how a soft wash operates?
So soft wash is a great alternative to what pressure washing used to be, because what they used to do is they would come to your house and use that really aggressive tip and like dig in and try to knock away all that stuff. Well, what soft wash does, it's a lot gentler on the house. So your vinyl siding, your hardy boards, all that, it doesn't get scarred up with those gnarly marks, and it actually kills the bacteria and algae that's living in the side of the house down to its roots. Instead of just knocking it off, it's killing it. So you actually get a longer time in between services, and it's a lot better on your house. It doesn't cause any kind of marring or anything like
Okay, so the first thing you do is you apply the chemical, let that marinate, do its thing, and then you rinse?
Yeah, it's as simple as that, but it's more about knowing your proportions and protections for your property itself. So it's not like because of what it does, it attacks organics. We want to make sure that we protect your plants and all your little gardens and stuff, and that's what we do very well. We haven't had any kind of callbacks for that.
That's true. You don't want to tear up the ivy.
Yeah, no, don't tear up the ivy. Don't tear up the ivy.
Sounds good. Okay, so we've got the general flow of how it works. Mm-hmm. Now, when someone does this, how long do they need to wait in between services?
Yeah.
And how long does this extend the life of my home? If I've got a nice home in Charlotte and, I want it to last as long as possible.
Yeah, so that's a great two-part question. So the amount of times that you should get it done is you should, in the South, because of the amount of humidity that we have, you should get it done once a year. A lot of manufacturers have a warranty that, like, if something was to happen with the manufacturers, like the paint or the vinyl, you have to get it done every year. And it's in a small subsection, so it's great for if you just bought your home, just to be ahead of it, because if something does happen, you're always ahead of it. And as far as what the expected lifespan of it is, I don't know of any exact science to it, but it does keep your color longer. It does keep your vinyl healthier longer because you don't have things pulling moisture out of it, degrading it faster, getting more brittle faster. So I don't know the sciences behind it, but I know that it does keep the house looking the same way for a lot longer than it was.
For sure. Okay. And what type of debris do we see on the house and on the roof? Is it pine needles? Is it algae? What do we see up there and on all the above?
It's all the above. So with the roof, pine needles and like we're going to call them physical contaminants, where it's like all the things that cause weight but don't actually cause damage to it. We come and knock those off. We can either just blow them off with a pressure washer or carry a leaf blower around, so you don't have to worry about causing any damage to your shingles. And then the other is the algae, which that's what the soft wash does, and it removes all that stuff.
Okay, perfect. And Matt already alluded to this, but Matt, if you could touch on it again, the ROI. So let's say we got a seller, they're getting their home ready to list. They're like, all right, we got a week or 2 weeks until we list. Now it's a great house, but it couldn't use a little exterior facelift.
Oh yeah.
So we do a wash. In your experience, for a 2,000 square foot home, what does that typically run? Of course it varies. And then in your experience, what have you seen as far as a bump in sales price?
Yeah, so it's always going to be a case-by-case situation. Some houses receive a lot higher than the other ones, but I've seen on average, when I've been, no case studies done here, but just in experiences that we've had, anywhere from a 5 to a 20% increase percentage-wise on listing value.
Wow,
so
okay.
I know that seems like a lot, but it's just, I like to say it's very coincidental quotations that they'll list it beforehand, and then what they get afterwards is a lot higher than what we've seen when because I like to monitor it too when a house goes for sale, what it was listed for, what it goes for, and ones that do without our service and ones that do with our services.
Very good. Okay. And with Red Moose, you're about a 2.5 year old company.
Yep.
You're local to Charlotte.
Absolutely.
If people are, curious about how to get in touch with you and anything else you want to mention about Red Moose.
Red Moose Exterior Cleaning, so we do commercial and residential, so if you happen to have some commercial properties, we do touch into that spectrum as well. Easiest way to get hold of us is 704-497-2700, and then you can also, we have self-booking on our website too, so if you wanted to get your own appointments and do it that way, you can do all that online. So you don't even need to talk to me if you don't want to.
Okay. All right, Matt, thank you so much.
Absolutely.
All right, thanks, guys.